it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today's video is done in partnership with Uncle Funky's daughter, and I'm so happy because I absolutely love their products. One of my favorite products from them is their Curly Magic. In fact, I featured it in one of my videos, how to get the perfect twist out, and it was one of my favorite twist outs to date. But now I need to give my hair some TLC. I am going to do a quick wash day and style my hair one style, two ways. So let's just get right into it. I am going to jump in the shower and I'm going to wet my hair down, saturate my hair with some water, give my hair some moisture because looking at it before, I definitely need some TLC. And I'm using warm water. Warm water is really good before shampooing because it's going to help loosen up any tangles, also get rid of some of the dirt, oil, debris, that excess stuff that we do not need on our scalp. We want to make sure our scalp stays nice, healthy, and clean. Then I'm going to separate my hair into quadrants as I always do. It just really helps me to navigate through my hair. And for my cleanser, I'm going to use the Bye Bye Build Up. So this is in a pump and I do like it. I did apply a generous amount of this cleanser because I really love lather, and this is more of a co-wash, so it's not going to have that lather. I feel that it's really good for those in-between wash days for me, and because I do go to the gym, I feel that it would be more ideal for a day after the gym, like after a really good workout. But nonetheless, I really did enjoy this cleanser. It had a good amount of slip, and you can see how my curls are popping. This definitely gave me some moisture. It didn't strip my hair, and I did feel that it was conditioning enough for my hair, even for a co-wash, because you know, I don't really use co-washes, but I did enjoy this one, and it gave me a great amount of moisture, which I really love. You know, I love moisture. Us naturals, we definitely need a good amount of moisture. And after I've worked the co-wash into my hair really good, I'm just going to twist my hair, twist that section up, and then I'm going to continue working on the other three sections of hair. So remember, you really want to rub your scalp. So don't scratch your scalp, you don't want to irritate it, but you do want to rub it. So I use the pads of my fingertips just to make sure I am rubbing my scalp, and then I also run my fingers through the length of my hair. I want to make sure that my hair is nice and clean and my scalp, so I just really make sure to focus on both just so I have a nice, clean, healthy scalp. And then when I'm finished working the cleanser on all four sections, I'm just going to unravel the twist, massage my scalp all in one, and then I'm going to rinse out this cleanser. And my hair, it felt so nice. It felt really good, nice and smooth and moisturized. And I'm still using warm water at this point. And you can really see how moisturized my curls are without any product in it, which is why I really love using Uncle Funky's daughter products. I'm telling you, they have really great ingredients in them, and my hair, it just feels so good. Now I'm going to deep condition my hair. So I put my hair back into the quadrants and I'm saturating my hair with a lot of water because I find that when my hair is saturated with water, the products just really penetrate into my hair strands better, and that's what I need. Now I'm going to use the Heal and Renew Deep Conditioner, and this stuff is amazing. My curls really clump together when I use this, and this is exactly what I need, especially not washing my hair after a week. I think it was like a week and a half, but still, I'm telling you, my hair, it felt so good, so smooth, and I really love this deep conditioner. It's one of my favorites because it really gets my curls clumped together, as you can see, and I definitely need that. And I'm just going to work the deep conditioner in really good with my fingers, and then I'm going to twist it up, and I'm going to make sure that I twirl the ends of my hair with my finger because it's going to help encourage the curls. And I did give my hair a trim, and I filmed it for you because I know you would want to see that, but I really want to make sure to really treat my hair, give it the TLC that it needs, and that's why I do choose products with good ingredients in them, and it really makes a world of a difference. Many of you have seen how my hair has grown so much, and it's grown quickly, and I thank you for just noticing. But I really make sure to find great ingredients that are aimed for my hair type, and it really makes a difference. That's all I can say. Many of you want tips on it, but it really depends on the ingredients, the products that you use, also techniques. So me doing what I do for wash day and styling my hair definitely makes a big difference. I ended up leaving the deep conditioner in my hair for about 10 minutes while I took my extended shower. I mean, if I wasn't in the shower, say I was just lounging around, I would definitely use a hooded dryer. It definitely helps, but because I'm in the shower and I'm about to style my hair, I didn't need to do all that. But you could see how moisturized my hair is, and this is exactly what I look for after I rinse the deep conditioner out. My hair felt very soft, very smooth, and overall very healthy. And of course, I'm using a cotton t-shirt just to soak up any excess water in my hair. And now it's time to style my hair, and my hair feels really good, very soft. So I'm going to separate my hair into quadrants, as I always do for wash day and styling my hair. As I've already said so many times, it really helps me to stay nice and organized. But when I do part my hair, especially in the front, I'm going to make sure that the parts are nice and clean going sideways. I really want to make sure these parts look really clean because it is going to be in the style, and I just want the overall style to be very nice and neat. And since I have my hair separated in a front section and back section, sometimes I will work on it, but because my hair was very dense, I'll say, I decided to make sure that my hair was in quadrants. And I did re-wet my hair with some water, just adding some moisture back in. And then I'm going to use the Midnight Train. This is a leave-in conditioner, and it smells really good, and it definitely helped to condition and nourish my hair. I sprayed a generous amount of this because they don't have an oil, because many of you know I do the WLOS method, but still, using their products, I still had great results. I am going to separate my hair into subsections and just comb my hair. I really want to work this leave-in conditioner in, making sure that my hair is nice and moisturized, making sure that it's conditioned, nourished, and I really retain that moisture in my hair. It's really important not only to get moisture in our hair, but to keep that moisture. We definitely want moisture retention. It's going to help in the long run, especially if you're looking to grow your hair nice and healthy. You definitely want to keep on to those good, healthy benefits. And for my styler, I'm going to use the Curly Magic and the Super Curl. So I really love the Curly Magic. That's exactly what I was talking about before. It has amazing slip, and it really helps to define my hair and give my hair moisture. But because I knew I was going to have my hair like this for about a week to a week and a half, I want to make sure that I have great moisture retention, exactly what I was talking about before. So I decided to double it up with the Super Curl because it really gives the ability to stretch hair and just really help to define curls and keep that moisture locked in. And for that reason, I decided to do 2 stylers instead of just 1. But the Super Curl is really good. It is very creamy and buttery, just like I like for my stylers. I just really want it to penetrate into my hair, but I know that the Curly Magic, it really gives my hair great definition and moisture. So you see how after I put the Curly Magic in, my curls really clump together. That's how I know I'm going to have great definition with my style. So now I'm just going to part my hair for the twist, and I'm making sure that the parts are pretty clean. They don't have to be perfect, just make sure that they're clean. And I know I say this a lot, but just to make sure that they're nice and clean. You don't want your hair snagging in between the parts. And then I'm going to twist my hair nice and snug. And as I always like to say, twist your hair with purpose. And it's not just doing twists, but just any style that you're doing, make sure that you are really doing it, because your style is going to come out so much better. If you just rush through styling your hair, it's not going to come out good as if you take the time to really make sure that you're twisting your hair, braiding your hair, applying the perm rod, flexi rod, whatever style that you're doing. Just really make sure that you do take the time to do it nice and firmly, and that your hair is nice and snug, because when your hair is wet, because I love to wet style my hair, by the time it dries, the styler is going to help it mold into that shape. So by the time that I do unravel the twist, the braids, whatever style I do, take the perm rod, flexi rods out, my hair has molded to the shape, and my curls have so much definition. It's really good. And of course, make sure that your hair is pretty dry. So I say at least 95% dry before you unravel your hair. And I'm going to continue to twist my hair for the back section. And now that the back section has been twisted, here's how it looks. And now I'm going to do the front, and I'm going to do flat twist in the front because I really love flat twist. I think that it has a nice flare to it. And I'm going to make a diagonal part because I'm going to do my flat twist diagonally, and I'm just going to do this pattern on both sides of my hair. But in the middle, I'm going to do more of a zigzag pattern because I'm going to alternate the twist. So each twist in the middle is going to be going either left or right in a diagonal way. And to flat twist my hair, it's pretty easy for me. All I'm doing is twisting my hair, but just adding hair as I go around with each rotation. And as there's no more new hair to grab, I'm just going to secure the flat twist with 2 rubber bands that have been dipped in oil. And then I'm just going to comb out the remainder of hair because I want to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth. That is very key to having a successful style. And I'm going to twist the remaining hair. And fast forward, I have done more flat twists on both sides of my hair. Now in the middle, as I was saying before, I'm going to do zigzag parts, and each twist is either going to go with the left section or the right section of the flat twist. And I make sure that I smooth about 1 to 2 pumps of the Curly Magic and comb it in. Make sure that your hair is nice and detangled and you do comb your stylers in. I'm telling you, it's really going to help with the longevity of your styles, also the definition. But this Curly Magic really helps with definition in my hair. And as I've already stated before, when there's no more new hair to grab, for the flat twist, I'm going to add 2 rubber bands that have been dipped in oil. I am going to make sure that I comb the remaining hair and twist it all the way down and twirl the ends of my hair so that they stay nice and secure. And now I'm going to put my scarf on so I can go to sleep, and my bonnet because I want to make sure that all my hair is protected. Alright, so now it is morning time and I'm ready to show you how my hair looks. So after taking the scarf off, my hair is nice and fresh and flat, which I really love. It just looks really nice and clean, especially the twist. And my hair, it smells nice and clean, very fresh, but not overbearing. Now I'm going to spray the Thirsty Curls on my hair, and it's just adding for just a little bit more moisture, which I love. I'm not going to douse it with this, and then I'm going to put these gold accents on top of the rubber bands, and I feel that it just takes the look up a notch, and I really love it. And this is how you can wear the first style. I think it looks really good. Now for the second way you can wear this style is to have a twist out in the back. So I'm just going to unravel the twist starting from the bottom, and then I'm just going to gently separate each curl, and you can see this definition is on point. I just really love the way that the Curly Magic makes my hair look and feel, give me great definition, and also with the super curl, it definitely gives me that moisture that I need. Like I was saying earlier, going in these colder months, I definitely need moisture retention in my hair so it doesn't dry out. But I absolutely love how my hair turned out. I didn't fluff it with a pick because I want to preserve my hair for the long run, and I just really think that my hair looks really good. I didn't need to do all that extra volume. I just really love this style, and let me know if you like this style too in the comments down below. And also thank you to Uncle Funky's daughter for collaborating with me. I absolutely love this style, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!